Hello viewers, a lot of users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE in offers in Flipkart and Amazon sale, but today in this video I am going to share an irresistible deal in Samsung shop. You will definitely be benefited by this deal and you will get this device much cheaper than Flipkart and Amazon sale. So stay tuned till the last. First of all, download Samsung Shop app and then open this app. You can type the name of the tablet you want to buy, or you can just scroll and then find out which tablet you want to buy. All the tablets are exhibited like this. You can scroll down to select your model. I will select the 6GB version and 128GB Wi-Fi version, that is cost around 30,999 rupees. Scroll down to see the current offers. There are actually many offers and bundled offers you can buy this tablet with. You can see here there is option of no cost EMI, bundled wallet offer, financial benefit like instant 6,000 rupees cashback with HDFC credit card, shop welcome benefit up to 2,000 rupees, Samsung corporate plus program, Samsung Axis Bank credit card offers, referral advantage program. Then there is buy more save more. If you buy 2 products you can get extra 5% discount. Then there is up to 18% off in GST bill. If you are new, you can get shop app welcome benefit up to 2,000 rupees. In that case you have to click on claim my vouchers, and in this way you can get about 1,000 rupees. At the final stage you have to click on buy now and then check out, and if you have any code, that is referral code, you can type here. Then in that case you will get 5% extra discount. Then you have to select your address, then click on next. After that you will see the delivery options. You can schedule your delivery, then click on next, and after that you will be redirected to the final page where you can see that you can get up to 620 points if you are a club member, and after that you can also see that there is a 6,000 instant discount on HDFC, 31,000 minus 600 minus 1,000 welcome bonus. So the effective price will be around 24,000 rupees, and also if you are a club member you will get 620 points, and that means you will get another 620 rupees. So if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE from Samsung shop, you can definitely buy this. Thank you very much for watching this video.